Assalamu rahmatullah. 7th of December 2025. This is an introduction to my small garden at home. This is 4 by 15. In here I've got some zucchini plants. There were 3 zucchini plants here. 2 died, only 1 survived standing, and it's got nice fruit on it. Then aubergine, 3 aubergine plants. It's getting quite cold, so they're not going to produce as well right now. I've got fennel along here with some Swiss chard, and these mustard plants, I bought the seed as cabbages, but it turned out to be mustard. Anyway, so they are here for the bees. And we've got some chili plants as well. Some are doing well, some are not, some aren't doing that well. And you can see there is garlic planted alongside. All these plants have been scattered throughout this bed, some here, some there. Then I've got some phasalis plants here. I've got some carrots. They're coming along slowly. The problem with this garden is that we don't get enough sunlight, but alhamdulillah, we're doing good for whatever we get. We get around 3.5-4 hours of sunlight a day, and you can see those white things. My mother says that they look like eggs hidden in the bed. There are turnips, Tokyo white. Then I've got this kale here, also burpees, beetroot, golden burpees, beetroot, and they have been planted 4 seeds per station. So yeah, they're coming along well. Once again, some chilies which are not doing that great. Apologies for the noise. I live at the junction of 2 streets, so it stays busy and noisy. You can see fennel once again. I did have a couple of bush beans. They're not doing that great, so alhamdulillah, it's still good. You can see some Swiss chard and spinach which have been harvested. There are some broad bean plants. You can see a stalk of corn plant which is still standing. We did harvest corn from here not long ago. Then I've got some tomato plants in here. They're, granted, some of them aren't looking that great, but I just like to keep them going. By the time winter is over, these zucchinis would have gone and they'll have full sunlight available. So these are some more zucchini plants here. As you see, there are 2 types, some with the green and the other with the yellow zucchinis on them. I'm double-minded, either we should eat it or save them and have our own seed for the next season. Let's see how it goes. So I must have missed a few things here and there because I've planted quite a lot in here. There are some flowers in here too, and I was hoping I'm gonna count how many kilos of produce we get from here, but unfortunately in a couple of weeks time I'll have to go back, so that won't be possible. But alhamdulillah, I'm quite happy with it. And this is the state of a place where the soil was rubble. It was not a good soil at all, and hopefully next year we'll get even better results. So for now, assalamu rahmatullah.